types of Facebook ads. As the popularity of online advertising continues to grow, so does the importance of Facebook ads. After all, your ad competes with a lot of other noise in the newsfeed. To make sure your ad stands out, it's important to understand the different types of Facebook ads and how to use them effectively. Here are the most popular types of Facebook ads. Number 1. Image ads. These are the most popular type of Facebook ads. They consist of an image, along with a short amount of text. The key to creating effective image ads is using high-quality images relevant to your product or service. Number 2. Video ads. Video ads are another popular type of Facebook ad. They can be up to 15 seconds long and are a great way to showcase your product or service more engagingly. Number 3. Carousel ads. Carousel ads are a type of Facebook ad that allows you to showcase multiple products or services in a single ad. They're perfect for online businesses that sell multiple products or services. Number 4. Lead ads. Lead ads are a type of Facebook ad that allows people to sign up for your newsletter or email list directly from the ad. They're a great way to grow your email list quickly. Number 5. Dynamic ads. Dynamic ads are a type of Facebook ad personalized for each person who sees it. They're perfect for online businesses that want to retarget their website visitors with relevant ads. Now that you know the different types of Facebook ads, it's time to start creating your ads. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.Ads-Profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.